bike while we go storm chasing.
We're going storm. What? Are you playing with me? We're going storm chasing.
And you're no.
I'll come to storm chasing.
Sure. Sure.
Let's go storm chasing.
Sure.
Wait, Max, is Aiden going to the water park?
You can't. No.
Let's go storm. Come on, guys. Let's go to the park.
What? Yeah, look. Oh, there's a big back down there. See that big back?
You want to go play wiffle ball?
I thought that was a tornado sign.
I'm racing you. On your slow blue dirt bike.
And that was nice. Boys, what's up? Boys, let me on the swing or else I'm going to cut you out of the video.
No, get Elliot.
Elliot, or else I'm going to cut you out of the video. No. Even though yummy gummy.
No, he will take you out of the Hunter channel.
Yeah. Alright, Max, I will. Or else I'm not going to delete the next TV Shop TV.
I'll just tell my dad.
Thanks for your explain.
No, I'll tell my dad to go down your house.
No, please.
No, dude, get Elliot.
Elliot.
No.
Or else I'm going to report you.
You should call the cops on him and say he's trying to murder us. We say he said he was going to head in the dirt bike. He won't. He said he was trying to
And we also made that after. He made that after.
Just get on top of there. Should we get on top of the swings? Yeah, I'm gonna get on top of it. See.
After we start the game.
And can I do
I'm getting on top.
No, come on, guys, we're winning.
You say.
4-2.
Should I?
There's people at the park.
It's a lovely storm chasing day. It's 4-2.
I thought that was Hunter for a minute. Is your feet up, Britt?
What?
Is she also doing that?
Yeah. Woo. Chat.
If you're watching this live right now, please like and subscribe.
What?
Go on, bro.
Wow, you're so high.
You said I was pitching.
Make sure to send a laughing disco. Someone send a laughing disco, bro. Laughing disco.
Someone sent one.
Bro, someone sent a laughing disco.
I got it.
Johanna. I
What?
saw your brother driving around.
What, bro?
Do I even care?
You literally told me I was pitching.
Yes, his driving license.
No, because
Hunter.
How am I even supposed to care?
yes, I can.
Yeah, I think I know that already.
Why did you tell me? I know all the places.
Where?
Go to.
I don't have to tell you.
Hey, Hunter.
Go now.
Hey, Hunter Heidel.
Guys, should we put Hunter Heidel in the video?
No.
No.
I'm removing my...
Unless he wants to.
Please send a laughing disco in this live. Someone send... Stop sending 6-7. Stop sending 6-7.
Dude, stop sending 6-7.
Stop sending 6-7 in the live.
He gets all mad.
He's freaking rich.
That's if you fall. Guys, look at Grayson.
Show the camera.
Guys, look at him.
Mason, are you playing? Mason's up.
What are you doing, bro?
Guys, look at Grayson. Grayson, sorry about hitting you.
Fine.
Oh! If you fall,
I'm gonna die.
Guys, I bet that hurts. It doesn't. Uriel, look at Grayson. Look at him. Look. Look at him. He's up there. Bro, he was hanging for his life. Great name sign your dirt bike. Again! What? I didn't. I meant to not bring it. I already said my sister's not going. I already said guys to go.
Austin. Our phone's still there. I think Macy's gonna ask if we can share seats. We can just share seats.
Did you ask Macy?
Wait, can I go?
Weirdo, bro. Fucking no. No, bro. Aiden's gonna be sharing a seat with your sister.
Max, what'd you say?
Nothing.
I
I don't know if Macy shares a seat with you.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Aiden, leave my dirt bike here. Wait, park it over here by mine. Aiden, park it over here by mine. Max, let's go. Grayson, to see if Macy actually said that. Yeah, we're going to see Aiden.
Wait. Can I ride on the back? Can I hop on the back? If I can share a seat with
Oliver on mine.
that would be good because
Oliver, you
we
couldn't
can
get on
ride
mine.
that one slide. The
How long?
that toy looking sideways.
16. We're 17. Can I cut through here? Hold on. We're gonna wait right here. Guys, you guys having fun? Elliot, let's ride Uriel's bike. Take Uriel's.
Let's see who can win.
Bro, stop. Oh my God. Grayson, stop. Mine just goes slow. My dirt bike goes like 2 miles per hour. It probably goes like 0. It probably only moves like a scooter. Do you like mine more?
Yeah.
Where the hell is it? You fucking let something dust. You and I had to go drive back and see him. Let's go see him. You know, there they are. Wait, but I do you like Talking Ben? Do you have Talking Ben? Get it. Get onto it right now. I want to do some. I deleted it. Bro, I want to cuss him out. Grayson, we should get Talking Ben and cuss him out. What? Alright, right now. We have 3 hours.
Max, it's 4 o'clock. 5, 6, 7. We have 3 hours.
6, 7.
Come on.
Alright, going into your garage. And, oh, look how much they've grown. They're ugly. Come on.
Where are we going? Storm chasing?
Wait, Max. Swing.
Actually,
Who?
Macy.
I guess see you in the next one.